Hello and welcome to this video. I will show with you step by step how to create a Fanvue account. So all you have to do, you have this page. So if you want to a creator, click become a creator, this option, and then you will see this page as you can see here. If you have any account, click I have already account. If you don't have, just write your email address, write your password. After write your password, right click on sign up option. This is already registered, so in this case just write your email address and then write your password. You will redirect it to this page as you can see here. Click this one, get started, write your this one option, your codes, and then choose your pay, click continue. After that you will receive a verification on your email. Just open your email, you will receive a verification to complete your process. Sign up, as you can see here, verify your email accounts, and then when you verify your accounts from the section, you will see this profile. Click start earning. As you can see here, you will open your account successfully. This is how you can do finance. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and share this